What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best portable monitors you can buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Introducing XEBEC, the compact, mobile, and lightweight laptop accessory that adds 2 additional screens to your laptop. Bring the convenience of multiple monitors with you on the road. Made for people on the go, by people on the go. Triple screen capabilities in a sleek design. XEBEC features 2 ultra-thin 10.1-inch HD screens, only 1 inch thick and weighing under 2 pounds. XEBEC is remarkably lightweight, easily attachable, and works with both Mac and PC. XEBEC is powered directly off of the laptop and requires just 2 cables per screen, so you don't have to rely on power outlets. Whether you're on the road, at a coffee shop, or just at home, wherever you go, bring the convenience of multiple monitors from the office with you in a compact, portable, and lightweight all-in-one package. Just 3 quick and easy steps. Attach, slide, connect. Just think of what you can accomplish with 2 extra screens. No more toggling between different tabs and programs. Studies show that productivity increases by 44% when using multiple monitors. XEBEC's proprietary universal mount requires 0 additional workspace. Fits laptops of all sizes, all without having to attach anything permanent or magnetic to your laptop. There when you need it, and not when you don't. Compact, slidable, portable. Whether you're a traveling professional, a digital nomad, or somewhere in between, meet XEBEC, your laptop's new favorite companion.
This is one of the most portable external monitors I've ever seen, which is also kind of like a tablet. You can draw on it. It's powered over USB Type-C cable, and also your visuals are fed via that singular cable as well. Then you've got a pen which magnetically attaches to the top, which gives you pen-based input. So the whole thing, the stand there, folds flat like this, but then it can kind of achieve any angle you might want, including like monitor status when you want to have a dual monitor setup next to a laptop. But then you can also create sort of more drawing friendly or pen input style angles like this. So you could just be going at it, sketching something up. And the whole thing will pack up, including the stand, into your laptop case. So it is, it's a lot of extra workspace that goes with you in one laptop bag. I should also mention you can go portrait mode with it. It's magnetic. It just slaps on like that. And now for those that are into portrait-based things, again, this could be creative applications, but also could be for coding as well, right? Now, you can set up workspaces. You can also use Snap in Windows in order to quickly move windows around. And you can do display arrangements, which this comes via software. It's a free download.
The Asus ZenScreen MB16AC is a portable monitor designed for people who need a second screen on the go. This slim and lightweight monitor is just 8mm thick and weighs only 0.78 kilograms, making it an excellent choice for people who need to work outside of the office or for those who travel frequently. The monitor is also equipped with a built-in stand that folds out to support the display, allowing it to be set up quickly and easily. The ZenScreen MB16AC features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The panel provides excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles, making it ideal for professional use. The monitor also has a 60 Hz refresh rate and a 5 milliseconds response time, ensuring smooth and fluid visuals. One of the standout features of the ZenScreen MB16AC is its compatibility with a wide range of devices. The monitor can be connected to laptops, tablets, smartphones, and even game consoles via its USB-C or USB-A port. The USB-C connection allows for both video and power delivery, meaning that the monitor can be powered by the device it is connected to, eliminating the need for an external power source. Another useful feature of the ZenScreen MB16AC is its built-in blue light filter. This feature reduces the amount of blue light emitted by the monitor, which can cause eye strain and fatigue. This makes the monitor ideal for long work sessions or for use late at night. In conclusion, the Asus ZenScreen MB16AC is an excellent choice for people who need a portable monitor for work or travel. Its slim and lightweight design, wide compatibility, and excellent color accuracy make it a great option for professionals who need a second screen on the go. The Philips 16B1P3300 is a sleek and compact display that offers impressive performance and convenience. With a 15.6-inch Full HD screen, this monitor delivers clear and vibrant visuals that are perfect for gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks. Its IPS panel technology ensures that you get excellent viewing angles and color accuracy, while the 60 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and seamless graphics. One of the standout features of the Philips 16B1P3300 is its portability. Weighing just 1.9 pounds and measuring only 0.4 inches in thickness, this monitor is incredibly easy to carry around with you. It comes with a slim cover that doubles up as a stand, making it even more convenient to use on the go. The monitor also features USB-C connectivity, which means that you can power it and transmit video signals with just one cable. Another great thing about the Philips 16B1P3300 is that it is compatible with a range of devices. Whether you want to connect it to a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, this monitor can easily be used as a second screen for increased productivity or as a larger display for entertainment purposes. Overall, the Philips 16B1P3300 is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable and portable display for work or play. With its high-quality visuals, compact design, and versatility, this monitor is sure to impress. So that's it for the top 5 best portable monitors you can buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.